What are you doing over there, bub?
Make music.
That's obnoxious.
Alright, do that. Oh, it's fun. Alright. For those of you that don't know, I love animals. So, inside sneak peek at my little friends over here. What's up, you guys?
Little chickens.
I know it's hot outside, guys. I know I filled your water up.
So these are the quarantine nuggets, we like to call them.
That's what we do like to call
We
them.
had a hard time finding fresh eggs at local markets and grocery stores. We acquired egg making machines. If you guys don't know chickens, they literally eat, sleep, and go to the restroom and lay eggs.
And eat some more.
And what was that?
And eat some more. They are eating machines.
Just feed them some Folgers. They love this stuff. So.
If you have a farm, you know, we use these containers for our,
Alrighty there, champ.
living on the farm.
Talk to me, Arlene. What do you got for us this week?
Hey guys, welcome back to the Garage Couple. It is hot outside today, you guys. I'm super excited to get these door chains out, jump in the pool, maybe have a nice little brewski. But for now, I'm gonna give you an update on our hood latches. For those of you that are just tuning in, we changed out these hood latches. The link will be right over there if you haven't seen it yet. There are many reasons that we had to change these latches. First, I wanted something that looked nice. Obviously, I like my Jeep looking good. Also, hood flutter. When we were driving at probably about 60 miles per hour, the hood started fluttering and making noises, which was super annoying. So we looked into hood latches, and what we found were these amazing latches. They did the job and they looked great and they lasted till now. They were super easy to change. I actually did it just on a camping trip. What is up, YouTube? Today we're out here in beautiful Joshua Tree having a weekend camping. We're still gonna show you how to go from this to this, all using a couple simple hand tools. So once back on, you're just gonna slip it on and screw it back in. So now we're gonna use the Allen wrench that came with the kit. But this is what we got today. My new musical instrument.
So let's look at it. Like what went wrong here? I mean, clearly this shouldn't be happening, but
Everything still seems tight. It looks like just that main portion that gets clipped on through these holes has fallen out. I'm guessing we didn't screw it on tight enough, or I did it, not Greg. Didn't screw it on tight enough.
yeah, don't blame that on me. This one was completely on you.
All right.
But the thing is, this one comes with the head on. You're not actually supposed to screw that on at all.
So let's take a look at
Let's look at the replacement we ordered here with our hard-earned
teaching cash.
teaching cash.
So you're right. It actually does.
It comes with it on. So I guess as a tip to future people that are gonna install this product, just give it a little tighten, I guess.
Yeah.
Like, why don't we see it? Let me take a look over here. This is how it comes. You don't actually have to screw it on. So looks like it just takes a couple Allen wrenches, screw it on tighter than usual.
Yeah.
I think what do you think? How should we replace it? Do you want to replace all of it or?
No, why don't we just replace this one and see if it lasts, if any changes occur between, you know, old and new. You know we like to do stuff like that on the Garage Couple channel.
And like Arlene mentioned, we already have this video on our channel. I'll drop a link in the top right corner as well as in the description to see exactly how to install it step by step. This is one of those installs that Arlene did entirely by herself. She literally placed the camera down. We were camping at Joshua Tree, and as I was getting the barbecue ready, Arlene installed the hood latches.
That's right.
And
Applause?
you know,
Applause, anybody?
I think you're getting an applause from everybody. So we're gonna go ahead and switch out just the top again on this side, as well as maybe give you some sneak peeks into future content and just talk to you guys about our channel maybe a little bit. What do you think?
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Let's do it. So it's a good thing it comes with some Allen wrenches, huh?
That it does.
So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna remove it from this side.
Oh.
Looks like it's actually held in with 2 screws. Oh, and this one only has 1. No, just 1 screw.
Whoopsie! I dropped something.
Let's grab it. Where is it?
Underneath the car. Bless you. Bless your soul.
That was rude. That was rude.
No.
All right. Let's see. Let's get this thing to slide out. Can't get it to come out even if we wanted it to. So just unscrewing from both ends here. What do you guys think of the camo wrap? You guys a fan of it or not really a fan? Looks like there's this silver barrel with threads on both sides. All we're gonna do, slide this into the new unit. If it fits, which it does not. Wow, looks like they are not the exact same size. That is nuts.
So we're just gonna have to put this whole piece on.
That is what we're gonna have to do. So, scratch that. Gonna put this all back together.
Scratch it.
You scratched it. Make sure you scratch it good. You're not on camera.
Huh?
You're not on camera. That was rude.
Not really. Greg, I think you put it in the wrong way.
See, that is the kind of comment that is not really productive. You know,
You should have just let me take this
maybe-
one away.
You should what?
You should have let me do it. I did it last time. Why are you taking the ropes?
And that is why we're redoing it.
Wow. Wow. Greg.
Oh.
All right.
Shots have been
You might
fired.
have some friends next to you when you sleep tonight, babe. Those little chicken are looking pretty lonely these days.
Oh, wow. Okay, let's put this back together here. Wow. This is this might not fit through there either. Or maybe it will. Now, I don't really consider myself a jazz artist, but one can say there's a lot of jazz going around with this install. I mean, they look identical, but they don't have the same screws. So, time to find a new Allen wrench set. If you haven't already checked out our upload regarding what we keep in the Jeep, hint hint, we have a toolbox with lots of Allen wrenches. So let's go ahead and grab that and then just drop these junks into there afterwards. Let's get it done. It is way too hot to be doing this.
Trash. Just joking. I don't throw stuff away on the floor. I was just playing.
You don't? That would be bad, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Let's hope this fits.
I'll put money it doesn't. $5?
You want to make quick $5?
Yeah.
All right. Unscrewing the new one here. Well, that's nice. It comes really screwed in. There's one screw out.
Legit. Oh, I remember when I did this.
And one screw to go. Dude, it doesn't fit.
Put it without the screw. That screw is sticking out.
And use the old one?
Yeah.
It won't fit through it.
Why?
Wow. Wow, Aline, that's not nice, dude.
Hey, be nice.
What kind of look was that? Before I tighten this down any further, let's make sure it works.
Give it a nice little push.
It does not work. This is turning into more than we bargained for. So we tried to get away by just replacing this piece and keeping the hook the same, just to save maybe 5-10 minutes. But the new replacement has this bar that is wider than the top hook allows. So we're gonna just go ahead and replace that one with the one that comes in the kit, hoping for a tighter fit and a better fitment and seal. Again, we're not going to show you exactly how to do this process as we have the video. There's literally 2 screws, you use an Allen wrench and it pops right out. So we're going to do that now. So these hooks that come with the new latches, they actually have a cutout, so it allows you to slide it up and down so you can get your hood to tighten perfect and fully. It comes with nuts, but we're going to use the factory nuts just because they have this like friction washer on it, so we don't have to hold it with a wrench on the other side. It's almost done here. Look at that. Look at how that is so tight on there. Even the body gap went down a good amount. No more hood flutter. And we're happy to have extra spare parts. Hey, we did
I
it.
thought you were
It is
shaking my head.
burning hot.
Yeah.
I think it's time to jump into the pool. What do you think?
Alrighty.
Don't you love installs like that, bub? So
Not in the heat, but
look,
it's alright.
look at how tight that got. That's even better than the first one that we had. I mean, there's literally no flutter. It's holding it super tight and you could adjust it up or down. These are all features. I will put the link of this one in the description below. This is a different brand, but similar style, and I think this one's a little bit better.
Thank you guys all for watching. Make sure to comment below of anything you'd like to see next. Also, make sure to check out our Instagram at Garage Couple. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon.
Catch you on the next one. Let's do it.